Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in Polymarket in India. Alright, so let's begin. First, open Polymarket and log in using the same method you used when creating your account. This could be through a crypto wallet such as MetaMask or by signing in with your email account. Once you are logged in, go to the wallet or deposit section of the platform. This is where you can add funds to your account balance. At the moment, Polymarket does not directly support INR bank transfers. Because of that, users in India usually fund their accounts by purchasing stablecoins like USDC or USDT from cryptocurrency exchanges that support INR deposits. Popular platforms such as WazirX, CoinDCX, or Binance allow you to transfer money from your bank account and buy stablecoins. After purchasing USDC or USDT, copy your Polymarket deposit wallet address carefully. Then go back to your crypto exchange account and send the stablecoins to that wallet address. Before confirming the transaction, always double check the address because cryptocurrency transfers cannot usually be reversed once completed. Some users may also notice a PayPal payment option that redirects them to MoonPay. This happens because Polymarket does not process PayPal payments directly. Instead, MoonPay acts as the payment processor, allowing users to purchase USDC using their PayPal balance or linked payment methods. After confirming the payment, the service converts your funds into USDC and sends them directly to your wallet. Once your transfer is completed and confirmed on the blockchain network, your Polymarket balance will update automatically. After that, you can start participating in markets, trading shares, and using the platform normally. And that's it. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.